Welcome to Compare to Win. The best tomato cages is probably one of the most essential tools for any home gardener looking to cultivate healthy and productive tomato plants. These simple yet effective structures provide crucial support, allowing your tomato plants to grow tall and strong, preventing them from sprawling on the ground, and ensuring optimal air circulation and sunlight exposure. In this video, we'll explore some of the top-rated tomato cages available, helping you choose the perfect ones for your garden. Number 5. K-Brand's Tomato Cage, 68 Plant Stakes. These premium stakes are built to last, with a solid steel core and durable plastic coating. It provides reliable support for your plants, whether indoors or outdoors, rain or shine. Setting up this plant cage is incredibly easy. You simply snap the poles together, no tools needed. Get your plants growing quickly and enjoy a stress-free gardening experience. This cage isn't just for tomatoes. It's perfect for climbing roses, beans, or jasmine. The ergonomic design ensures your plants thrive by keeping fruit and leaves off the ground. Give your plants the care they need with adjustable, snap-on clips. As they grow, you can easily reposition the cage to provide continuous, tailored support, helping them flourish all season long. Reaching up to 68 inches in height, this plant cage offers generous room for seedlings. It helps them grow strong, delivering bountiful harvests and beautiful blooms. What we like? This cage boasts a sturdy steel core, ensuring your plants get the support they need, rain or shine. Setting up is a breeze, with no tools required, saving you precious gardening time. If you are looking for a long-lasting, easy-to-assemble solution that adapts to your plant's growth, this is the one. What people say. The tomato cages are sturdy and well-made. They are easy to assemble and use. The design is effective in supporting the tomato plants. Number 4. AFSTAR 4-Pack Folding Tomato Cages. Do you love growing your own tomatoes? This plant support cage is a great solution to protect your plants from wind and heavy fruits. It helps them grow strong and healthy. The premium iron frame provides strong support for your plants. Precision welding and a painted surface ensure it's rust-resistant and can withstand high temperatures. This means it will last for a long time. Need to save space? Each trellis folds flat to a quarter of its original size. You can also combine multiple cages to create larger structures or different shapes. This offers great flexibility. Whether you have pots or a garden, this cage is perfect for both. It's not just for tomatoes, it also supports eggplants, peppers, and climbing flowers. It's versatile and easy to use. Setting up this 4-piece metal support cage is quick and easy. No tools are needed. Just insert it into the soil about 4 to 6 inches to make it stable. It's that simple. What we like? The foldable design of this cage makes storage a snap, perfect for those with limited space. The strong iron frame provides excellent support, preventing your plants from drooping under the weight of heavy fruits. If you are looking for a versatile and space-saving solution for both your garden and pots, you should consider it. What people say. They fold flat for storage and can be formed into a variety of shapes to fit the needs of the garden. The stakes are sturdy with pointed ends. The connecting pieces fit well with lots of size options. Very easy to use and more sturdy than expected. Number 3. Sturdy Tomato Cages, 3-pack. 48-inch tall. These tomato cages are designed with a strong steel core and a thick plastic coating. They provide long-lasting support for your tomatoes and other climbing plants. It's perfect for gardens, pots, and raised beds. The triangular structure offers exceptional stability. It keeps your plants upright and secure, even with heavy fruits. This design is ideal for various plants, ensuring healthy growth. Setting up these tomato trellises is fast and effortless. No tools are needed, simply snap them together. It saves you time and effort in the garden. This plant cage provides strong, stable support. It prevents stems from bending under the weight of fruits and leaves. This helps your plants grow upright and maintain their natural shape. This 3-pack offers sturdy, reusable plant support structures. They are perfect for gardens, raised beds, and container gardening. Designed for easy storage and long-term use, it helps your plants flourish all season. What we like? The triangular structure offers exceptional stability, keeping your plants upright and secure. Assembly is quick and easy, with snap-on connectors that save you time and effort. If you like a stable and easy-to-assemble solution, this is a great choice. What people say. They do what they are supposed to do and are sturdy. These are just the right size. Really neat looking in my garden. Easy to put together and nice looking. Number 2. Panacea 89723 Tomato and Plant Support Cage, pack of 10. This is a set of 10 galvanized wire cages, perfect for supporting your small tomato plants and other vegetables. It helps keep them upright and prevents them from falling over. Made from durable galvanized wire, it's built to last. The cage provides excellent support for your plants throughout the growing season. When the season is over, the cages are stackable and compact for easy seasonal storage. This feature saves space and makes storage simple. It has endless uses for various vegetables and flowers. You can use it in your garden to support a wide range of plants. It's also great for container gardening. It provides the support your plants need, even in pots and containers. What we like. This cage is made of galvanized wire, which is durable and rust-resistant. The stackable design makes storage easy and efficient. If you are looking for a simple and versatile solution for small tomatoes and plants, you should consider this. What people say. Sturdy and easy to assemble. They are tall enough to support the plants. Worked great for my tomatoes. Number 1. Happy Trees Heavy-Duty Tomato Cages, 3-pack. These heavy-duty plant cages are the smartest way to support your large, healthy tomatoes and other climbing vegetables. Once you try these extra sturdy steel cages, you'll see why they're better than flimsy alternatives. The large open structure gives your plants more space to branch out, providing better airflow. This extra space and support enables them to grow more hardy and yield better tomatoes. Built tough in the USA, this tomato cage is made from thick-gauge galvanized steel. It's designed to last for countless growing seasons and is quick and easy to assemble and disassemble. The collapsible design folds completely flat for easy storage in the off-season. Store it efficiently in the garage or garden shed until needed. No more piles of old, bent-up cone cages taking up space. We know these are the highest quality tomato cages you can find. If you're unhappy for any reason, please get in touch, and we'll make it right. Let your precious plants reach their full potential with these supports. What we like. This cage is made from thick-gauge galvanized steel and is designed to last for countless growing seasons. The collapsible design folds completely flat for easy storage in the off-season. If you value American quality and need a durable, easy-to-store option, this is the one for you. What people say. Sturdy and easy to assemble. Worked great for my tomato plants. These cages are a great value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.